Everyone, my name is Tawei Ye.
Hi, my name is Yanli Wu.
And this is our embedded OS project. Our project is called Autonomous Balloon Tracking Vehicle, and this is our rover. So it has two mode servo and a tilt camera servo, and there's a pi camera and our driver. So what it's doing is it's going to pop the balloon with these safety pins. There are two very sharp and behind safety pins. It's going to determine the balloon eventually. Yeah. And here's our Pi game controller.
This is our Pi game control mode. We have 3 mode interface. Yeah.
So right now we are going to demonstrate our balloon tracking vehicle.
Yeah. The first mode is calibration. It will be find the balloon at first. So it will be turned around until you find the balloon.
You find the balloon?
Yeah. The next mode is tracking the balloon and pop it. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, it works. And then it will be turned around until it decides, oh, I already popped the balloon, so it stops. And the last mode is celebration mode. It will be like a puppy, turn around and forward and backward. Yeah, and then it will be stop. Yeah.
And that's the end of our demo.
Very good, thanks guys.